Hey my Tifany J Inspired friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited for today's video. As always, today's video I'm showing you how to make this super cute Christmas mixer bowl and spoon set. It is super easy, super inexpensive. It only cost me $4 to do, so I'm really excited about it. It says ho 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 Merry Christmas, which is so fitting for Christmas Eve, so I'm really excited to show you how to make it, so stay tuned. So we're going to start with the spoon project. So you're going to need a Dollar Tree spoon. I actually like the one with the hole in it because I'm going to be using ribbon to pull through the hole. You're going to need scissors. You're going to need the Dollar Tree ribbon. And you are going to need stickers of some sort. I use these from Target. They were $1. You can use your Cricut machine. You can go to Michael's, Fun Letters. You can do whatever you want. So I'm just going to rip off the stickers I want to use for the spoon. And I am also going to keep the template even when I take the stickers off to use as a guide. I'm going to show you what I mean by that. Once I cut open the sticker packet, I'm going to basically lay the sticker template down to guide the letters because it's pretty hard sticking individual letters on a surface, trying to make it as straight as possible. So I use this sticker template as a guide even when I start removing stickers off of it. It's going to make it so much easier. And like I say in my DIY videos, create your way. Every DIY is meant to be unique. You put your own little spin on your project. So if it comes out a little crooked, it's okay. That's your unique feature for your projects, okay? Because I know mine's will, okay? Now I'm just going to go ahead and just speed it up for you. Basically what you're just doing is laying down the letters, using the sticker template if you need to as a guide, and yeah, after I finish laying it down, I'll get to the next step. What I love most about the vinyl, if you see that it's coming out crooked, you can always remove and replace it back on. So once I finish laying down the vinyl, I'm going to grab my Dollar Tree ribbon. I do suggest that you cut at least 12 inches of the ribbon. It'll make it easier to tie the bow. You can always trim the bow if it's too long, but if it's too short, it's kind of a waste of ribbon. So definitely try to do at least 12 inches. So once I guided the ribbon through, I'm just going to go ahead and turn it with the spoon facing me and tie it. I feel like it lays a little better once I turn the spoon to face my direction. So once you tied your ribbon, your spoon is complete, and we are going to put this to the side and move on to the mixing bowl. For this project, you'll just need the mixing bowl and the vinyl stickers from Target or Michael's or your Cricut machine. It doesn't matter. You'll just need letters to stick on to the mixing bowl. I'm just starting by removing the sticker that comes on the mixing bowl. I love that they are super easy to remove, so that's a plus. Great job, Dollar Tree. So now you're going to choose the stickers that you want to use. I'm using the Ho Ho Ho, and I thought that would be really cute because the spoon says Merry Christmas, so it's going to be Ho 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 Merry Christmas, and I thought that would be really fitting for the Santa cookies that we are going to make on Christmas Eve, so I thought it was cute. So now I'm just figuring out how I'm going to place my words on the mixing bowl. I'm just trying to figure out where I want to place it. I think I want to place it more in the front. I thought the side was going to be cute, but I think I'm going to go ahead and place it in the front. So I'm going to go ahead and speed this up again while I place the letters on the mixing bowl. So I'm just placing down my last letter, and it is complete. I absolutely love how it came out with me putting the letters in the front. I thought it'd be really, really cute. And I'm just going to place my spoon on top, and it is complete. I absolutely love this project. So I hope you enjoyed this $4 DIY. This will be perfect to do with your kids for Christmas Eve. I placed some cookie cutters on the inside that I picked up from Target, and I'm just so happy with how it all turned out. So if you haven't already, please consider subscribing, hit that notification bell so don't miss another video from me, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.